Today, we're going to talk about the biology of the chemicals and pathways that give rise to emotions in the context of food and nutrition. The discussion around emotions has a long and rich history going back to Darwin and even long before Darwin. This is a conversation that philosophers and scientists have been having for hundreds, if not thousands of years. The idea that Darwin put forth and that was really attractive for about the last 100 years was that emotions are universal and that some of the facial expressions around emotion are universal. And other people have, capitalized on that idea. And to some extent, it's true. I think that the two most robust examples of that would be when we see something or we smell something or we taste something that we like, there does tend to be a postural leaning in. We tend to inhale air at that time. We tend to bring in more of whatever chemical substance is there. So we tend to do these and kind of lean in closer to things that are attractive to us. And when we see and experience things that we don't like, sometimes it's a mild aversion. We just kind of lean back or look away. Other times, it's an intense aversion of disgust, and we tend to cringe our face. We tend to avoid inhaling any of the chemicals. This probably has roots in ancient biological mechanisms that are to prevent us from ingesting things that are bad for us, chemical compounds and taste that might be poisonous.